In this video, we're going to look into a few situations in practice and talk about how to work with the indicators from my previous video. Not to waste any more time, let's get to it.
Life was like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get.
Here is our first case for today. To understand the situation better, we should make use of MACD and stochastic. My stochastic is 26, 6 and 6. Both of the indicators shows that the market is rebounding and is going to go down. But what does the chart itself show? It shows a downtrend. The market first reached the lower level, then went up till the level of resistance, tested it, and is now going to rebound and follow the trend further, as seen on the 5-minute time frame chart. So, knowing all this, we buy a put option that expires in 10 minutes and wait to collect our profit. In order to make my next trade, I used the stochastic and vortex indicators. As you can see, I also have zigzag enabled here. My previous video was dedicated to it, but in this particular case, it didn't really help me out. The stochastic lines have crossed in the overbought zone and are moving downwards. The vortex lines have also crossed, the red line losing its dominance with the green one on top. And all of this indicates that the price should now go down. Now let's analyze the chart itself. Having switched to the 5-minute time frame, we see a double impulse pattern. There's a video about it on my channel, so click here to watch it. In short, we see an impulse upwards, then consolidation, and then another impulse up towards this level. According to the pattern, the price should go down until about the level of consolidation. And the market is already started going down, so I don't use the Fibonacci retracement and just buy a 10-minute put option. The 5 and 10-minute time frame charts see the market slowly rounding up and the uptrend coming to its end. We can also see that the alligator lines are slowly starting to cross, signaling a trend reversal. Now let's get even deeper by switching to the 1-minute time frame. Here is the market reaching its highest point, then it falls down to the level of support, and then it corrects to this level of resistance. To sum everything up, we now know that the chart is moving downwards, we see the levels towards which it will be going, and we have one indicator that supports it. So I buy a put option that expires in 5 minutes and wait to see what happens. Now let's have a look at this 10-minute time frame chart with some indicators along the way. The CCI indicates that the market has long been overbought and that the price is starting to plummet. The 5-minute time frame stochastic and MACD also indicate that the market is to go down. So I buy a 10 minutes put option. So that's pretty much it for today. A quick reminder, all my announcements and the analysis of my trading activity and also my trading signals can be found on my Telegram channel, so consider subscribing. I hope this video was useful for you. See you soon, stay safe and be in touch.